Hey guys, I sent you an email today with the support and resistance indicator. I just wanted to talk a little bit about it here. And it's a pretty simple one to apply to the chart. So you'll have to go through the normal steps of placing it in your indicators, your broker's indicator folder. So experts folder and then indicator, and then drop it in there. And then it will appear here. So this is the one I sent, BPS support and resistance. And it's as simple as dragging and dropping it onto the chart. Colors are red and blue, that's fine, then just click OK. And there it is. Now, I found this online, and I can't even remember where I found it. But I contacted the guy who created this, Barry, and asked him if I could share this with you guys, and he said no problem. So thanks to Barry. And what this is showing is basically, it's showing the support and resistance, but I like it for it's showing the swing highs, swing lows. And that's kind of an interesting look at. This is a 1 hour chart of the euro dollar. So if we look at, let's say, something a little smaller, and you can see the different swing highs, swing lows. And I mean, it's easy enough to see without this, but it's just kind of a handy little helper, I guess you could say. And it's neat to spot some double tops and double bottoms for you guys who like to trade that. This one's pretty obvious here. This, these two highlighted here that just makes it a little easier to spot. And you can also get a feel for some real support, real resistance when you start to see, these lines, these blue lines, like in this instance, there's some real support here, and then it finally breaks down. But these swing lows were very close to each other. And then basically the same with these swing highs, very, very close to each other. So, whether you use it or not, it's totally up to you. I just thought you might find some use for it, and hopefully you guys do. There's another kind of example of showing the support here. Really kind of jumps out at you when you see it. It's like one solid blue dotted line here. So price comes down, bounces off, and goes up. So, if you find some use out of that, that's great. And I guess that's it for now. Tomorrow is Friday. Hopefully you guys didn't get hurt by that craziness in the yen yesterday around 5 o'clock. Holy cow. That was bananas. I hope... I'm not trading around 5 o'clock anyways, by no means. So I avoided it. And hopefully you guys did too. But I know there's somebody out there who was in a swing trade and got their head handed to them. And hopefully that wasn't anybody here. And if you were short, then Merry Christmas. Tomorrow, Q&A. We'll see what I can come up with. I've been getting a few emails back and forth with some people, but they're asking about David's strategy, this 21 systems, and he's chosen today. Actually, sent an email out, and he's chosen the guy to trade his account. So I'll be as he updates me on that, I'll be letting you guys know how well the guy does or how poorly he does. I expect he'll make some decent money trading Dave's account, so that's kind of a neat thing. I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes as well. So, and if you haven't picked up a copy, I suggest you do. It's the feedback I've gotten from people who have bought it are loving it, and they love Dave, even I think more so, because he's so helpful in creating trading plans for them and all kinds of good stuff. Very attentive in that manner. So if you haven't picked up a copy of that, I strongly say you do. And I guess that's it. We will probably chat with you guys tomorrow at some point with the Q&A. Talk soon, guys. See ya.